may konting kabastusan yung resolution because I saw, assuming correct, I don't like making assumptions, pero assuming correct yung sinabi ni Senator Lacson that he will clarify ang point niya pag na-exhaust na lahat ng legal remedies. First and foremost, we've said that paulit-ulit-ulit. Para na kaming sirang plaka. Di ba? Na paulit-ulit that senators, just like any individual, can exhaust and should be given the ability to exhaust all legal remedies. And then pag na-exhaust lahat, then of course we will surrender them. Usually the senators themselves surrender themselves and we will assist. Put it like this, kung meron tayong hearing, pinipilit namin kayong ilagay yung source nyo. And then we held you in contempt. Tapos kayo'y kinostody ng editor nyo. At sinabi ng editor, hindi, merong karapatan ang reporter, wag sabihin kung sino source niya. What will you do? You'll go to court. Pero pag umabot hanggang Supreme Court yan, at dumating sa inyo na may warrant na legal, legitimate from a Philippine court at wala nang ibang usapan pa, ang editor mismo magsasabi sa inyo, we will protect your rights, dadaling ka, we'll make sure you're safe, but kailangan mo nang sumama. So walang difference dito, sila ang nagpapalaki ng issue. So kahapon, nagsalita si Senator Pangilinan kung pwedeng hindi na pag-usapan yon, hindi pwede. In fact, baka malipat ito from the Committee on Rules and Public Order to the Committee on Ethics kasi so far lumalabas, it was really a plot to stop him from coming here. Even the NBI may statement ngayon na dun sa former majority, maayos sana yung pag-aresto. Hindi yun ang tradisyon sa Senado. So although the Senate President said his piece yesterday, so far, ang sinasabi ng dating Sergeant at Arms at ng NBI Director is that nakita niya yung warrant at coordinated sa kanya. Kaya makikita niyo po, nakakalat ang mga agents all over the Senate yesterday. This is the first time that happened. Hindi po excuse yung akala mo hindi dadating. Pwede ba yun, akala mo hindi dadating? Pag may dumating dito, may dalang warrant. Kung may dumating dito, may dalang warrant for Senator Soto, for my sister, for Senator Jinggoy. Di ba? I will tell them, we will assist you. You can serve it. Oh, if the senator claims that he was denied due process, we'll allow him to file whatever sa court. Pag na-exhaust na yon, at hindi, at meron pa rin na warrant of arrest, this is a foreign warrant of arrest. We don't even know if it's valid or hindi.
How will you be treating this reso from the opposition? Is it up for debates later? Will you be voting, sir?
We're the majority, sorry. The new majority, I'm so used to calling ourselves the minority, will meet on it. But even if 24 signed, that doesn't mean we will agenda it right away. Diba? But sa akin yon, ang pakiusap ko lang, ako, I tried my best. Diba? Nakita nyo naman speech ko, yung pakiusap ko yesterday. This is not the first attempt na hulihin siya or first attempt na to take over the majority. Pero parating may foul na ginagawa eh. Hindi na statesman's-like eh, di ba? They could have asked us, they could have saw us, the five, and asked, ano bang plano? They could talk to us. They could talk to Senator Bato. Nandiyan siya. Hanggang gabi, nandito kami. Hindi nga natutulog yung tao. Magpa-file ka ng resolution. Di ba? Ano yan? Pang politika. Yung ginagalit nila, base nila.
Sir, you mentioned na mapupunta to sa ethics. Who will
No, I said possible if the investigation shows that senators plotted to keep another senator from attending the session. That's a criminal offense. Diba? I agree with everyone who's saying na mabigat ang hinaharap natin sa ekonomiya natin. Inflation is so high, farmers, logistics, lahat ng transport, hindi lang to tricycle, taxi, jeepney, bus drivers, including yung mga naghahatid ng pagkain to pati yung mga multinational na it's not easy to import, let's say, medicine, then get it to all the islands of the Philippines. Doble, triple yung logistics mo noon dahil gasolina o crudo or ano din ang gamit ng mga vapor. Tapos yung diesel din ang gamit ng mga truck. So we want to shift to that. But sila ang stuck sa hindi na sila majority.
Who is under investigation here?
We'll discuss muna with the new majority. But bunsod na nga ng aking damdamin kanina yon nung nakita ko lahat ng pulis. 'Di ba? Kawawa naman yung pulis. They should be manning their post. They should be at least not exposed sa araw, bringing those heavy gears, 'di ba? Pero we're creating this tense situation eh.
Are they trying to reclaim the leadership by
May lumalabas ba na may
taking
active
away
plot
Senator
para
Bato?
arestuhin si Senator Bato noong Monday? May active plot from colleagues
Eh,
na arrest
yun ang sinasabi ng NBI eh, na alam at ang sinabi hulihin siya.
Were you aware also? Because sabi ni Senator Cayetano siblings were apparently aware. Kaya nandun daw sa sasakyan ninyo.
Yeah, I think my sister will speak about that. Ako, natural, aware ako. Nagsalita ako doon at sinabi ko that he's coming into the building. Kaya sila gulat na gulat dahil every time na magpapalit, gumagawa ng paraan na takutin siya na huwag pumunta dito. Saan kayo nakakita? Nung wala dito, no work, no pay, nasaan ka, magpakita ka, mag-resign ka na lang kung ayaw. Nung nagpakita, huhulihin mo. Ngayon na nandito na, gusto mo namang isuko.
Pero sir, nakita niyo ba so far sa preliminary investigation niyo na may active plot
Uh,
from your
I
colleagues
don't wanna go beyond what I said already because I'm going to meet the majority. I'm going to look at all the reports. Basically, inulit ko lang yung sinabi ko ngayon, yung sinabi ko sa podium yesterday, di ba? Nung nagsalita si Senator Soto, sabi niya ganito ganyan, binasa ko yung sinabi ng Sergeant at Arms. Sabi ng Sergeant at Arms, hindi. Not only 7 a.m., 2 p.m. pinakita pa rin sa inyo. Di ba? Sinabi po ng NBI, sir, makakapasok ba lahat ng agents, nandiyan ba silang lahat kung hindi pa pumayag si SP? Pumayag si SP. So, hanggang dun lang muna ako, di ba? I'm just saying that we're trying to shift to the bigger picture, which is the spiritual, financial, economic, social well-being of our country, not only the political. Oh, but what is the other side doing? Diba?
Sir, meron po bang active threat ngayon sa leadership nyo considering the fact na medyo magulo dahil dito
We will assume that, 'di ba? Sabi nga nila, manipis ang majority namin. Ang sagot ko lang doon, mas mabuting manipis kaso sa makapal.
Pero sir,
'Di ba?
pag
Majority nga kayo dati, makapal naman. Oh.
What do you mean by that?
Sabi niya manipis ang majority namin. Oh.
Because of the 13,
Oh,
sir.
'di ba? Okay. So, at the very least, yung pinaka-respeto natin sa kapwa senador, makapasok ka, you can use the facilities of the Senate, hindi ka sinusundan ng CCTV, hindi ka threaten, hindi nag-iimbento ng mga accusations sa kapwa, 'di ba? Hindi tinatakot yung kasama mo sa majority. That's why I said nga, statesman-like sana, nagpalit, let's move on. Pero sa ginagawa nila ngayon, parang pinipilit nilang magsalita kami kung bakit tumagal ang palitan ng leadership. So, kung papalitan nila kami, all they have to do is go upstairs. Nung natalo ako kay Senator Pimentel ng 2016, nag-dinner pa kami kasama si PRRD with Senator Soto, Senator Lacson. I think Senator Pimentel was there. Nagkamayan pa kami sa Malacanang bago. Then I didn't go to the SONA. I didn't go here. Sa SONA na ako pumunta. Oh. Nung nagpalit at naging Senate President si Senator Subiri, wala namang problema eh. Nung umakyat kami ni Senator Escudero, pinakita sa kanya, mga boss, may pirmahan. Yakapan pa kami. Siyempre may konting sinong bumaliktad, sinong ganon. But yun, private lang yun. Diba? So, nung pumalit si Senator Soto, ang umakyat napaka-close pa sa amin. Umakyat kay Senator Cheese. O siya pa nag-oath eh. Oh. So, before the break, alam nila may hawak akong 14. Hindi dapat ako. It was someone else. Oh. Anong ginawa nila? May ginawa sila. Para hindi kami umabot ng 14. Oh. So, ngayon, choice nila kasi hindi namin sila atrasan eh. Pero sana isipin nila yung mga pulis na sa labas. Sana isipin nila yung oras nyo sa news. Would you rather be reporting on inflation, on tourism, on gas prices, diba, on education, on the super El Nino? Or would you rather keep talking about Bato? Diba? Wala naman sine si Bato eh. Hindi naman box office yung kay Bato. So may legal issue. So let the court decide. Can't we move on from that?
Sir, categorical
Diba?
what will you do with the resolution ng minority? Will you allow it to be taken up later?
We're meeting right after. with the acting majority leader.
Pero sir, meron bang threat sa leadership niyo?
There's always a threat. Kaya lalo ngayon ito na mainit ang politika, and I'm ready at any time. I didn't ask for this. If natuloy yung ating palit ng leadership bago nung break, hindi ako ang Senate President. Kung hindi ako tumulong kay Senator Cheese, hindi din. I don't want to discuss na yung each and every member nga. Kasi nga, let's face it, di ba? 24 lang kami. We have to work with each other. And the problems facing our country doesn't have political colors. Yung 7% inflation ba, kulay green ba yon, or kulay yellow, or kulay red? Hindi. Di ba? Pag yung tao walang mabiling gamot, yung DOH, siguro yon, trabaho muna. Mag-resign na si Secretary Herbosa. Nangako siya dito during the budget hearings, wala nang delay. Di ba? Ang City of Taguig nakabili ng flu vaccines. Binabakunahan na, mahigit 100,000 ang aming ang aming senior citizens. Bakit ang DOH huli na naman? Di ba may southern at northern hemisphere pagdating sa flu shots, patapos na yung isang hemisphere, papunta na dun sa kabila. Hindi pa tayo nakakabili. Masasabi mo ba sa senior citizen na nagka-flu, tapos nagka-pneumonia, namatay? Nasasabi mo ba, sorry, kasi we failed sa bidding. Di ba, guys?
Pero sa process lang, kapag po nakita sa investigation na yung colleagues, some of your colleagues are involved in the plan or plot to arrest Senator De La Rosa, you will file an ethics complaint?
Two things. One, that's up to Senator Bato dahil siya naman ang involved. Ako, I'm more talking about the institution. Sometimes, if it's more political action, it's better just to let it go and to be statesmen and stateswomen, di ba? Yung parang, okay, that's part of the game. Medyo may konti kang siko, konti kang sipa. Sige, pero no harm, no foul. No blood, no foul. Di ba? So we want to move there. We want to talk about real issues. Di ba? So let me stop there, guys, kasi I'm sure I'll brief you then by the end of the day. Yeah, last question.
Last question. Na kayo po ang kumausap kay Senator Bato na magpunta rito yung
Many people have been talking to him for the longest time. And as of Sunday evening, ang alam namin hindi siya dadating. Pero nagkausap kami ng Monday morning, then he told me that he's around. And then we made the arrangement for him to get here. And that's obvious because nung nagsalita ako, di ba? Sabi ko, we have 13 and Senator De La Rosa will come in. That's why nagulat ako nung pumasok na humihingal, tumatakbo. Kasi sabi ko, you don't have to come in dramatically. Yung pala, hinahabol na ng mga ahente ng NBI. Let me stop there, guys. I just have to do some work. Tapos,
Pero yung van na
Yeah.
sa Sen Bato sa inyo.
Senator Pia will speak about it, but I will tell you everything because there's no crime. Di ba? Ang mag-hitch ba ng ride ngayon, bawal na?
But the van is yours.
I don't want to preempt yung speech ni Senator Pia, but later on we'll answer all the questions.